Hi everyone and welcome to episode 3 of my Japan vlog. If you missed the previous 2 episodes, I will leave links up top and below for you to check them out. So, please enjoy. Our first stop in Kanazawa is this historic shop where we'll learn the ways of a samurai at Shijimaya Honpo. Masa-san here is a descendant of a local samurai clan and he'll be showing us real samurai swords that have been passed down for generations. So this is what the samurai blade looks like. This is the sheath and this is the handle, and inside there's actually a wooden replica and the real blade is inside this wooden case right here.
これは今から250年ぐらい前で、
これは何だと思いますか？美術品ですけど。
Oh, 小刀。
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's a secret knife.
そうです。Secret knife. Small secret knife. でここに入っているのは
另外一边，
何だと思いますか？
这是你猜什么东西呢？
哦，筷子。
我好想说，
It's not chopstick. Samurai comb.
Samurai comb.
samurai啊，也是服装啊，这个形状也是很重要的，就是整齐的
fashion. 对。
リアルブレード。
I was scared.
要打的时候一定要这个拱一下。
Whoa.
小心啊
Be careful.
！Be careful, be careful.
Wow. Look at the patina, it's so beautiful. And that tip, whoa!
这个日本刀的刀身是500年前做的。
Whoa! I don't know why, but I feel very like emotional holding it. Yeah, 很多感受。Like 想哭这样。
そうです。そうです。
Yeah.
是的确，没错。
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't know why. I just got like really emotional, like really quick. Oh, because it's just like really special. It's like 500 years and like, you know, it has this long story. Let's go. I don't know why I'm doing that. So we're assembling the sword.
つば、
糍粑。
セッパ。
Oh. 要够吗？
对对对。
You can also see that it's been around for a while, like you can see the wear and tear, but you can also see that it's been so well taken care of. Because you know, like in museums and stuff, there would be no other way to touch or even handle or see a samurai sword this up close. But these knives all belong to Masa-san's family, so we are able to have like an up close and personal look, which is really special. Yeah, immediately I feel like I'm transformed into ancient Japan. Like look at these walls, like look at the architecture of this, and it's really authentic. It's just a family home and it's been maintained so well. Cute. Very cute. Ooh.
This is my training room.
Ah. Training room?
Training room.
Training room! We're in samurai school! After admiring the swords in the historic home, we were definitely ready for class to begin. But first, we had to get changed, so Masa-san's wife Naomi helped get us into our samurai attire. OOTD, guys! This is really nice. Like, this band here holds everything. There's a back plate to keep my back straight, which is honestly really comfortable. It's not that tight. And these are pants. Hiya! Hiya! It's nice. It's good. This is really cool. Oh my god! Hi!
でこれを。
Hi.
これはレプリカ。
Masa-san taught us how to draw the sword, and already then we were struggling. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm getting stuck. I'm stuck. Oh. It's gonna like relax your hands. Be limber.
Not power.
Not power. Flow. Ooh. I heard the.
Good. Excellent. Excellent.
I got no sound. Try again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit too low.
So you've gotta basically like balance this part that's not sharp on your arm. Keep it steady so it doesn't wobble, and then.
That's a bit difficult. Wow. Too smooth.
Excellent. Great.
Wow, it makes it look so easy. Eh, wrong.
Balik.
Yeah.
And now for the master's demonstration.
Now he's about to demonstrate for us how sharp a true Japanese blade is. Tatami roll. Whoa! Wow! Check out the specimen. Look at that. This is a tatami mat, you know. It's not something soft and easy to cut. Wow. Look at that.
So now we're at Shoryuan. This is lunch, and this region is actually famous for their soba. So this is the signature set. Right here we have double soba. I love it. And then we have daikon here, tofu, and we have tempura, which we'll be dipping with this soba dipping sauce. There's also salt. You can actually also eat it dry and dip with a little bit of salt. And this is buckwheat, which is what soba is made of. So, itadakimasu! I'm gonna try it. In. Oh wow! Look at the texture of this noodle. Really, really bouncy and chewy, and it has this great bite to it. It's just nothing like I've ever tasted before, and I'm a huge soba aficionado, so this is fantastic. And the buckwheat flavor is just so fresh. It tastes light, but also really, really refreshing. And it smells awesome too. It smells like buckwheat, so I'm having a great time. Let me try the tempura. Look at how beautiful. I'm gonna be continuing my meal now. I'm gonna be wiping this entire thing out. Now that I am completely done with the best soba meal ever and my 3 cups of tea, I am actually going to add this, which is soba water, to dilute the sauce here, the dipping sauce, so that I'm able to drink it like soup because it's very nutritious. Oh, it's perfect. It tastes like a really savory, light brothy soup. Okay, so I'm gonna try and contain my excitement because I am here at this beautiful space called Kaga-nui Imai, and as you can tell, take a guess. This is an embroidery store. So they specialize in silk embroidery. We're gonna be trying our hand at making our own little pieces of embroidery, and it starts off over here. So we're gonna have to pick from this section on what kind of designs and what we want to do. So I have decided to go with this little design. So here we are with the 4th generation owners of this beautiful boutique. This is Sachiko-san and Hiroko-san, and they'll be teaching us how to make our own little pieces of embroidery. First step is to choose our fabrics. Check back in 2 hours. I can't decide. Ooh, okay. I'll pick out the colors that I like, and then we'll buy. Oh no, why did I take 3? Oh, jala. So okay, I think I'm gonna wait, but then choose the frame. MARGAUX is the frame. Look at these greens. They're so nice. Look at it. Even between these two, 应该选几个？
何色選べばいい？
何色でも。
都可以。
5 hours later.
Oh, should I do green? Should I do black or okay. I'm stepping away. I have come up with my little color palette. I'm very happy with it. So this is gonna be the color of my leaves. This place is actually known for their gradation technique. So they have a lot of really nice embroidery that has that gradient effect. Hopefully I'll be able to do that. And then for the petals, because I'm just me and I can't decide on a single color, I have decided on all 5 of these. So each petal will have 1 color, which I'm very happy about, honestly. Nobody can stop me now, haha. For this middle part right here, I'm gonna go with this light gold, and I think it complements everything very well. So I'm really excited to get started. Hachiko-san here is doing a traditional technique of prepping the embroidery thread by layering 4 silk threads and spinning it together so that each stitch would look more dense and beautiful. And on the right here, you can see the end results. So beautiful. Okay, so this would be the first stitch. You go up with your left hand and then down with your right hand, and then up with the left hand here and go in with the right hand here to form the center line. This sideways, and then the other side just lengthways. So let's try that first. Okay. This is my little workstation, and we have the threads prepped as well. Oh, so she's threading this needle threader through, and then put it through. Tie a knot, cut the ends off. Arigatou gozaimasu. First one. Okay, so left to right. Yeah. Okay. Teacher says okay. Yeah, I'm trying to keep the widths as regular as possible, like consistent as possible. Okay. Look at me go! Woo! Every time one more goes, I'm like, yeah! I'm not used to sewing with my right hand, and when you're on the surface, you're always using your right hand. Again, this is something that the left-handers of the world have to just deal with. But I seem to be doing okay. See, I'm like cheating. Shh, don't tell the teacher. No, it's a bit off. See that? Can I go back? I have to thread it back. Ta-da! It's one petal. I don't know how to end it.
吐出来。
糸と糸の間に出してで
最後一
塗ってある方向と同じ方角にこう一針小さく一針入れて
就是方向同样方向就是小小
もう一度ここ上出して
然后再出来出前
はい。So, okay. Here we go! That's the one! Yeah!
上手綺麗に塗れてます
Okay. 綺麗是什么意思？
漂亮。
Oh! It's been 2.5 hours since we've been here. I think we started maybe like an hour ago. I'll be able to do the leaves, but I won't be able to do the gradient like I meant to. But that's fine because now everything can be like a fun, solid little piece. So yeah, let's go! Yeah, It is incredibly satisfying. I think I could do this like for longer periods of time. It's really fun. So I'm done with the petals. This is how they look. The embroidery pattern and the way that the silk threads are being spun like is really, really cool. We have the embroidery right on the top as well, and then we have 3 strands for the leaves. Okay, time to get started. We'll line up the best, but it's okay. It's okay. It's nighttime now. I wish I was joking. 1 in, 1 out. My first little piece of embroidery ever. Yay! Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so now that we're done with our embroidery session, I've had so much fun. I think this boutique is so steeped in history and tradition, and it's really, really meaningful, and I really want to support them. So we're getting 3 souvenirs from here, from this whole collection, for you guys to win in the giveaway. So once again, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how to win, but come, let's go shopping first. Okay, so these are bag charms. I definitely want to pick one for you guys. Wait, this is a pair? Wait, why are they all so cute? I was really just expecting to get one, but oh no. Let me see. This one has like a gold outline, very white, you know? This is the only silver one, and it has a little baby. So I'm gonna pick this one for the bag charm. Oh, I saw these are really cool. This is like a mirror where you can put a little toothpick. What do you think, Chloe? Top, bottom, top? She likes the top one, so we're gonna go with the top one. Finally, earrings. I saw this pair that I think are just so beautiful. This is really pretty. This green one is just really elegant and really beautiful. So these are the 3 gifts that I will be giving away. I can't wait for you guys to see it in real life. These are so beautiful. We have these 2 as our runner-up and backup. So we're getting all 5. Oh my god, look! It's so cute. I learned a new word. Kirei. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Yay. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found this embroidery thing as fun as I did. And if you want to check out this experience, click the link below down in the description bar. I have everything linked, and also keep your comments coming in, especially now that you know what prizes await you if you comment. So let me know what you want to see, what you want me to do, where you want me to go, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!